Hey everyone, welcome back to Alltech, your go-to channel for tech reviews. Today, we're checking out the DanYee Cat 8 Ethernet cable, a high-speed, high-quality network cable designed for ultra-fast and stable connections. If you're a gamer, streamer, or just need a reliable wired connection, this might be the perfect upgrade for your setup. Let's dive in. The DanYee Cat 8 LAN cable is built for speed. It supports bandwidth up to 2000 MHz and can transmit data at blazing fast speeds of up to 40 gigabits per second. Whether you're gaming, streaming in 4K, or transferring large files, this cable ensures a stable and lag-free experience. It connects seamlessly to LAN WAN networks and high-performance networking gear, so you're always getting the best speeds possible. One standout feature is its braided nylon exterior. Not only does it make the cable stronger and more durable, but it also gives it a premium, stylish look. Plus, it's dirty-proof, meaning it stays clean and resistant to wear and tear, perfect for long-term use. Equipped with RJ45 connectors, this cable is universally compatible with computers, routers, modems, gaming consoles like Xbox, PlayStation, PS2, PS3, PS4, and even printers and network switches. No matter what device you're connecting, the DanYee Cat 8 has you covered. Unlike older Cat 6 cables, this one features 4 shielded twisted pairs, STP, of copper wires, significantly reducing crosstalk, noise, and interference. This means a cleaner signal, more stable connections, and less latency, especially for gaming and high-speed data transfers. DanYee also offers lifetime free customer service, giving you peace of mind that you're covered in case of any issues. Overall, the DanYee Cat 8 Ethernet cable is a fantastic choice for anyone looking to boost their network speed and stability. With 40 Gbps speeds, premium durability, universal compatibility, and superior shielding, it's a great investment for gamers, streamers, and professionals alike. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more tech reviews. This is Alltech, signing off. See you in the next video.